Welcome to the best picks. The best caulk tool is probably one of the most underrated tools in any DIYer's arsenal, capable of transforming a messy, unprofessional-looking caulk job into a smooth, clean, and virtually invisible finish that significantly improves the look and longevity of your project. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling a large-scale renovation or a weekend warrior tackling a small repair, mastering the art of caulk finishing can elevate your projects to the next level, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Number 5. 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tools. This innovative tool set makes caulking easier than ever. It's designed to help you achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort and waste. This upgraded set helps repair gaps and clean up excess glue, improving the overall look and quality of your sealant. It features a stainless steel scraper for tough old glue and a silicone trowel for smoothing out bumps and dents. It's perfect for achieving smooth, professional-looking sealant lines. Easily clean it with a damp cloth and reuse it again and again. It reduces sealant waste and eliminates the need for masking tape, saving you both time and money. It comes with 5 replaceable silicone pads in various radius sizes, 3R, 6R, 10R, 13R, 17R, to handle any caulking job. The non-slip push-pull button makes changing pads a breeze. It's perfect for use in kitchens, bathrooms, windows, sinks, and more. Use it anywhere you need a clean, professional-looking sealant job. We're here to help. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to assist you. What we like. It has replaceable silicone pads with various radius options to meet different needs. This saves you money in the long run by reducing waste and the need for extra tools. If you value versatility and cost-effectiveness, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product is must-have when you are replacing old caulk in your kitchen sink or bathroom sink. Caulk application was easy. Have used this a lot while caulking and painting my windows, has held up to a lot of abuse. I'm not sure who invented this, but they're a genius. This tool will cut your caulk removal time from hours to minutes. This with a couple of straight razor tools makes the job go quick. Run the center of the caulk with the removal tool first, then clean up the sides with the straight razors. Done. Number 4. Saker 3-in-1 Caulking Tool. This innovative tool combines 3 essential functions into one convenient design. It's perfect for removing old caulk, smoothing new sealant, and cleaning up any mess. For a smooth gliding experience, slightly loosen screws on the back. Find the perfect balance for comfortable and precise control. It features an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother, making it versatile for various tasks. It's built with a sharp stainless steel blade, a silicone trowel, and white silicone pads for efficient and long-lasting use. This tool makes removing old caulk and applying new sealant quick and easy. No masking tape needed. Use it in bathrooms, kitchens, on windows, floors, and more. Its smart design is perfect for both interior and exterior caulking. It not only improves the functionality of your caulking but also enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your surfaces. What we like. Its unique design ensures a smooth, one-handed operation. The durable stainless steel and silicone construction means it will last. If you prioritize a comfortable and efficient caulking experience, this tool is for you. What people say. This is a very useful tool, as it reached into those places it needed in order to get out all the old caulk. Then the other end of this tool has a scraper and a smoothing tool to even out the wet caulk when finishing. Quality material. Compact size. Easy to use. Durable. Easy to clean. My large bathroom had old caulk. This tool made it easy to remove the old caulk. The spreaders made it easy to make a large bead of caulk or a small bead. It was really handy. Number 3. Cramer 40407 US Silicone Kit. This professional kit makes silicone caulking easier than ever. It's got everything you need for perfect results, every time. Easily remove old silicone with the included removal tool and interchangeable blades. Say goodbye to messy, uneven joints. 5 sealant smoothers with 16 profile variants and 2 guides ensure precise and professional-looking caulking. It's designed to help you bridge intersections and prevent sagging. All tools feature 90 degrees angled edges for perfectly grouted corners. Achieve that flawless finish you've always wanted. Work in small sections for easy application and rework blemishes without removing the entire joint. It simplifies the process significantly. This kit comes in a convenient plastic storage box, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. No more hunting for missing tools. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple tools and guides for precise caulking, even in complex areas. The 90 degrees angled tools ensure perfect corners every time. If you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast seeking precision and a complete solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. It's easier than a finger even for normal baseboard caulk. For the average unskilled user, you'll be able to run your line much faster. This gives you more time to fix any mistakes and produces a good-looking result. Makes caulk bead clean and ready to resist any mold mildew buildup. It makes caulking easier than ever. Not only that, but it looks so great. I recommend the tools to anybody needing a clean, fast and easy caulking job. Number 2. King&Charles Caulking Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for professional caulking and grouting. It's designed to make even the toughest jobs quick and easy. With multiple scrapers and silicone pads, it tackles gaps and cleans up excess glue effortlessly. Achieve a flawless finish every time. This innovative tool is perfect for corners and seamless joints. It improves the overall look and quality of your caulking. It features 5 replaceable silicone pads with varying radii for different applications. They're easy to clean and reuse, saving you time and money. It works with various sealants, silicones, and resins. Use it in bathrooms, kitchens, windows, anywhere you need a clean, professional caulking job. This kit makes removing old caulk a breeze, without damaging surfaces. You'll achieve professional-looking results quickly and easily. What we like. This 4-in-1 tool tackles various caulking tasks with ease. The replaceable pads ensure long-lasting use and easy cleaning. If you need a versatile and user-friendly tool for various caulking jobs, this is a great option. What people say. It left perfectly smooth lines of caulking compound in all the areas we needed. Additionally, the metal piece was handy in safely removing the old caulk. This tool is 10x better than chancing caulk removal with a knife. Perfect for grout or silicone. Way less messy than using your actual fingers. Lots of options for removal and application. Number 1. Outus Caulking Tool Set. This set includes 2 durable, flexible plastic tools, perfect for all your sealing needs. They're designed to last and make your projects easier. With over 10 different edges, it handles any angle or surface. You'll get clean, professional-looking results every time. These tools smooth out sealant lines perfectly, saving you time and material. No more masking tape needed. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth and they're ready for your next project. It's that simple. Use them with silicone, acrylic, resin, grout, it works with almost any sealant. Perfect for DIY projects or professional jobs. The Outus Caulking Tool Set, making your sealing projects easier, cleaner, and more efficient. What we like. With its multiple edges, this tool handles various angles and sealing needs. The durable and easy-to-clean design makes it a practical choice. If you need a simple yet effective tool for various sealing tasks, this is a good option. What people say. These little tools have the perfect flexibility and are shaped perfectly to scrape excess caulk and create a beautiful, even line along the bathtub. The tools were awesome to use and the painter's tape didn't pull off as I ran the tool down the caulk line because the tool was flexible and didn't catch and pull the tape. The tools created a beautiful seamless caulk line and they were easy to clean up after the job was done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.